Okay, so now we've got the so now we've got the motor detached from the old regulator, and we're about to attach it to the new regulator.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love it. Slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my
What's going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to Project Zangetsu. I am Dore Tumashangu, that is not Zangetsu, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Okay, so as you know from the title on the thumbnail, we are repairing the right rear window for Joel, aka the Daily, aka the BMW E46 318. So what's happened is that the motor for the electric window in the back window seems to be failing, and the window is no longer moving up. So what you see here behind me is my beautiful partner's very creative attempt at trying to resolve the problem in terms of stopping rain from getting in on the back seat. Because where we stay, we don't have it's very soft up there. So we're gonna go like Sunday, we're gonna paint on both cars, and when the windows are closed, there's 7 feet rain. So we're gonna be fixing that. Okay, so as you guys can see, we finally gotten the regulator and the motor out. There it is, lying right next to the new part that we're going to be installing. So from the looks of it, we're going to need to get this motor off this old regulator and onto this new one here. So that's what we're about to do now. Okay, so now we've got the motor detached from the old regulator, and we're about to attach it to the new regulator. Basically, we just needed to unbolt these 3 connection points right here from this sort of like bracket that holds it to the regulator, and we're gonna be reattaching those same bolts or nuts, whatever they are, to this here. Okay, so we are a step closer. We now have the old motor attached to the new regulator. So as you can see here, these 3 screws that mounted onto the regulator had to be removed as it was still attached to the old one, so that we can transplant them onto this new one. So now it's just a matter of getting it back into where it belongs so that it can work again. Success! Alright guys, that brings us to the end of our how to repair the rear right electric window on a E46 318 BMW. That took me a few days, as you can see from the wardrobe change. I had some problems getting the regulator out once I unbolted it, but eventually when I did get the right tools to do the job, I was able to do it with no problem. So sorry for the background noise, guys, with regards to the cars going past. I'm still struggling to find, you know, stable locations for me to film these videos from. So please bear with me for now. But in any case, we are now done. I do feel, you know, I feel a bit big-headed right now because I have again reached another sort of like achievement in my petrol-headed journey. Sort of like playing a game on career mode. You unlock certain levels and abilities and achievements, and I believe this is one of them. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this, and I'm glad that now I know how to, and the knowledge will now stay with me forever, despite the fact that I was balls scared to do it before. But anyway, I hope that was helpful to some of you guys, or to any of you watching this video. I did try to make it a how-to video as much as possible. There were a couple of challenges in me effectively doing that. Number one, this was the first time I was doing it, so I wasn't sure what the hell I was doing. Number two, there was so much of it that was an awkward physical position that I needed both hands for and things like that. That made it difficult for me to both film and work at the same time. But I hope you guys do find some value out of it. I did try to make it as detailed as possible. But that's enough rambling for me, guys. As usual, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have stayed till the end of this video, please go ahead and type in Windows 10 in the comment section down below, just so I know who stayed this far. And as usual, I am Zangetsu. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the thumbs up icon and leave us a like. And if you'd like to see more from Project Zangetsu, please click subscribe and be sure to ring that bell icon so you are notified every time I drop new content on the channel. As usual, guys, I have been Zangetsu, and thank you so much for hanging out. As usual, take care of each other, stay awesome, and stay chasing your dreams to infinity and beyond.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me.